solubility is S. Okay, so molar solubility, what does that mean? That just means the number of moles that can be dissolved into a completely saturated solution. So S is the number of moles of this item here. So we'll say there's 1 mole here, so 1 times S. This also equals S. So if the number of moles you dissolve is S in a saturated solution, because of the coefficients of this reaction, this and this metal ion have a 1-to-1 relationship, and the S of our initial metal hydroxide has a 1-to-2 relationship with the concentration of OH. Okay, so S equals the concentration of M plus and 2S is the concentration of OH. Okay, so because of that, we plug these values into our KSP and get S times 2S squared, which is 4S to the third. And that corresponds to answer choice D. Okay, did that help with that one?
Yep, it did. And hopefully, Eva, hopefully you're good. Also, I'm waiting on a response from you, Eva. Did that help? Yep, okay, good. We're all good to go there.
Okay, so back to question 24, is where we are now. Okay, so in question 24, they tell us about an astronaut who on Earth notes that in her soft drink, an ice cube floats with 9/10 of its volume submerged. Okay, then they say if she were instead on a lunar module parked on the moon, where gravity is lower, how would that affect the amount of the ice cube that is submerged versus floating? Okay, so what this really involves is the proportion of something that is submerged has to do with its specific gravity, and the ratio of its specific gravity, I think that's the abbreviation for specific gravity. Let's see, say ice in our soda, soft drink. Specific gravity of ice and its ratio, let's see, there has to be a better way to write this. Let's say specific gravity of ice and the specific gravity of soda. So what is specific gravity? Remember, specific gravity is just the relationship of the density of an object, or the density of a substance, divided by the density of water. So this is a way to standardize densities so that we know if something has a low specific gravity, it's less dense than water. So specific gravity less than 1 means it's less dense than water. Specific gravity greater than 1 means it's more dense than water. And the formula for how much something floats, so percent
Real? All that?
submerged equals the ratio of its specific gravity to whatever it's floating in. Okay, so...
Aw, shit.